The fuel-fueled future. Think again. We've all heard the predictions. Petrol is dead. Long live the electric car. The media is buzzing with headlines proclaiming the end of the internal combustion engine. Governments are setting ambitious targets to phase out petrol and diesel vehicles. Automakers are investing billions in electric vehicle technology. It seems like the electric revolution is inevitable. But hold your horses, folks. The reality is a bit more nuanced. While electric vehicles, EVs, are making significant strides, there are still hurdles to overcome. Infrastructure, battery technology, and consumer adoption are just a few of the challenges that need to be addressed before EVs can truly dominate the roads. While electric vehicles are certainly gaining ground, they're not quite ready to take the checkered flag just yet. The range anxiety, charging times, and higher upfront costs are still significant barriers for many potential buyers. Not to mention, the environmental impact of battery production and disposal is a concern that cannot be ignored. The future of driving isn't about picking sides, it's about finding the right balance. It's not a battle between petrol and electric, it's about integrating the strengths of both to create a more sustainable and practical solution for the masses, and that's where hybrids come in. Hybrids have been around for a while, but they're often overshadowed by the hype surrounding pure electric vehicles. However, they offer a unique blend of benefits that make them an attractive option for many drivers. For years, the automotive world seemed split into two camps, the petrol-guzzling dinosaurs and the silent futuristic EVs. The debate has been fierce, with each side touting the advantages of their preferred technology. But what if there was a middle ground? But there's a new contender in town, one that combines the best of both worlds. Hybrids are not just a compromise, they are a smart solution that leverages the strengths of both petrol and electric power. They offer the flexibility to switch between power sources, optimizing efficiency and performance based on driving conditions. Hybrids offer the fuel efficiency and eco-friendliness of electric power with the range and convenience of a petrol engine. This means you can enjoy the benefits of electric driving in the city, where it's most efficient, and rely on the petrol engine for longer trips, eliminating range anxiety. It's a compelling package, and it's winning over drivers worldwide. More and more people are discovering that hybrids provide a practical and environmentally friendly alternative without the limitations of pure electric vehicles. They are becoming a popular choice for those who want to reduce their carbon footprint without compromising on convenience or performance. The versatility of hybrids is one of their biggest selling points. You can refuel at a petrol station or charge at an electric station, giving you the freedom to choose the most convenient option. This dual capability makes hybrids particularly appealing in regions where charging infrastructure is still developing. Hybrids are also well suited for a variety of lifestyles. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or taking a road trip, hybrids offer the flexibility and efficiency to handle it all. They are designed to meet the needs of modern drivers who demand both performance and sustainability. The technology in hybrids has come a long way too. Modern hybrids are equipped with advanced features that enhance the driving experience. From regenerative braking to smart energy management systems, these innovations ensure that hybrids are not just efficient, but also enjoyable to drive. As we look to the future, it's clear that hybrids will play a crucial role in the transition to more sustainable transportation. They offer a practical bridge between the petrol-dominated past and the electric future, providing a solution that is both environmentally friendly and user-friendly. So, the next time you hear someone say that petrol is dead and electric is the only way forward, remember that the truth is more complex. Hybrids are here to stay, and they are paving the way for a more balanced and sustainable automotive future. The fuel-fueled future? Think again. The numbers tell the story. Hybrids are taking over. The automotive landscape is undergoing a significant transformation, and hybrids are at the forefront of this change. As we navigate through the bustling streets and highways, it's becoming increasingly clear that hybrid vehicles are no longer a niche market. They are rapidly becoming a mainstream choice for many drivers. Don't just take my word for it. The data is compelling and paints a vivid picture of this shift. When we delve into the numbers, the trend is undeniable. The sales figures speak for themselves. According to the Federal Chamber of Automotive Industries, hybrid vehicle sales are skyrocketing in Australia. This surge is not just a blip on the radar, it's a sustained and accelerating trend. More and more consumers are recognizing the benefits of hybrid technology and are making the switch. In fact, they're growing at a much faster rate than both pure petrol and pure electric vehicles. This growth is driven by a combination of factors, including advancements in technology, increased environmental awareness, and economic considerations. Hybrids offer a unique blend of efficiency and convenience that appeals to a broad spectrum of drivers. What's driving this surge in popularity? It's a multifaceted phenomenon. On one hand, there's the undeniable appeal of reducing one's carbon footprint. Hybrids emit fewer pollutants compared to traditional petrol vehicles, making them a more environmentally friendly option. For starters, hybrids offer a taste of the electric driving experience without the range anxiety that plagues many EV owners. This means drivers can enjoy the benefits of electric power for short trips and city driving, while still having the reassurance of a petrol engine for longer journeys. This dual capability makes hybrids an attractive option for those who want to experience the future of driving without fully committing to an all-electric vehicle. Plus, with petrol prices always threatening to reach for the sky, the fuel savings of a hybrid can't be ignored. The economic benefits are substantial. Hybrids typically offer better fuel efficiency than their petrol-only counterparts, translating to significant savings at the pump. Over time, these savings can add up, making hybrids a cost-effective choice for many drivers. Additionally, many governments offer incentives and rebates for hybrid vehicle purchases, further sweetening the deal for potential buyers. Beyond the financial and environmental benefits, hybrids also offer a smooth and quiet driving experience. The seamless transition between electric and petrol power provides a refined and enjoyable ride. Families in particular appreciate the practicality and versatility of hybrid vehicles. Whether it's a daily commute, a weekend getaway, or a long road trip, hybrids are well equipped to handle a variety of driving scenarios. The technology in hybrid cars has also come a long way. Modern hybrids are equipped with advanced features and cutting-edge technology that enhance the driving experience. From sophisticated infotainment systems to advanced safety features, hybrids offer a high-tech connected driving experience that appeals to tech-savvy consumers. Maintenance and reliability are other key factors contributing to the popularity of hybrids. Many hybrid models are known for their durability and low maintenance costs. Dealerships and service centers are increasingly equipped to handle hybrid technology, providing peace of mind to owners. In conclusion, the rise of hybrid vehicles is a testament to their versatility, efficiency, and appeal. As more drivers make the switch, the future of transportation looks increasingly green and sustainable. Hybrids are not just a trend, they are a significant step towards a more environmentally conscious and economically viable automotive future.
Hybrids make sense for a lot of people. They bridge the gap between traditional petrol engines and fully electric vehicles. By combining the best of both worlds, hybrids offer the convenience and familiarity of a petrol engine with the environmental benefits and fuel savings of an electric motor. This dual power source means that drivers can enjoy longer driving ranges without the anxiety of running out of battery power, which is a common concern with fully electric vehicles. This makes them a particularly attractive option for drivers who aren't quite ready to make the full leap to electric. For many, the idea of switching to a fully electric vehicle can be daunting due to concerns about charging infrastructure, range limitations, and the higher upfront costs. Hybrids, however, provide a more gradual transition. They allow drivers to experience the benefits of electric driving, such as lower emissions and reduced fuel costs, while still having the backup of a petrol engine for longer trips or when charging stations are not readily available.
Take Toyota, for example. They've been at the forefront of hybrid technology for years with their Prius model. The Prius was one of the first mass-produced hybrid vehicles and has become synonymous with hybrid technology. Over the years, Toyota has continued to innovate and improve their hybrid systems, making them more efficient and reliable. The success of the Prius has paved the way for other manufacturers to develop their own hybrid models, contributing to the growing popularity of hybrid vehicles worldwide. Now they offer a hybrid version of almost every car in their lineup, from the compact Corolla. The Corolla Hybrid combines the practicality and affordability of the traditional Corolla with the fuel efficiency and lower emissions of a hybrid powertrain. It's an excellent choice for city driving, offering smooth acceleration and a quiet ride, while also being easy on the wallet when it comes to fuel costs. To the rugged Ray V4 SUV, the Ray V4 Hybrid is perfect for those who need a bit more space and capability. It offers the versatility and off-road capability of an SUV with the added benefits of hybrid technology. Whether you're driving in the city or exploring the great outdoors, the Ray V4 Hybrid provides a comfortable and efficient ride, with plenty of room for passengers and cargo. And it's not just Toyota. More and more manufacturers are jumping on the hybrid bandwagon, offering a wider range of models to choose from. Brands like Honda, Ford, and Hyundai are all investing heavily in hybrid technology, recognizing the growing demand for more environmentally friendly and fuel-efficient vehicles. This increased competition is great news for consumers, as it means more options and better prices. Whether you're looking for a compact car, a family sedan, or a spacious SUV, there's likely a hybrid model that fits your needs and budget. The future of driving is looking greener and more efficient, thanks to the rise of hybrid vehicles.
The beauty of hybrids is that they're not limited to a single car segment. Whether you're after a zippy city runabout, a spacious family SUV, or something in between, there's likely a hybrid option out there for you.
Hyundai, a brand known for its value and reliability, has also embraced hybrid technology. Their popular Santa Fe SUV, for instance, comes in a hybrid variant that offers impressive fuel economy without sacrificing performance or practicality. This versatility is a key reason why hybrids are becoming so popular. They cater to a wide range of needs and lifestyles.